subscribe. You will be alerted when you are subscribed to my channel. Please do subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure you subscribe. Hi my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Adenix on the beat. Today I'm giving you this bronze goddessy look. I decided to zhuzh up the hair, zhuzh up the eyes. Did a bit kind of plain, but it's still zhuzhed up. If you'd like to see how I achieved everything on my face, then keep on watching. First thing you need to do to achieve this bombacious eyeshadow is to apply the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Light Ivory as a base. I watched Yuki's video on how to make eyeshadows pop on your dark skin, and she said that if you use a flat brush to apply it, it's going to remove most of the product, and if you use a buffing brush, it's going to keep the product still there. As you can see, there's a huge cast of lightness on my eyelid right now, and that's because I follow Yuki's advice. But also using a flat brush will help for days when you're trying to do a simpler look, something not too loud, but you still need that pump of lightness on your eyelid. I'm going in with the brush that I used to apply my setting powder on my face, and I'm going to use this to tone down the edges of the concealer. To use these three from the palette, basically this really light brown, this deep brown, and this medium brown. So I'm applying that medium brown all over the above cut crease area. I'll start focusing that color mainly in the end, or at the end, to add more intensity to the end of the eyeshadow. I also try to bring it forward a little bit, but I want the end to be really deep in color. We are going in with the lighter shade right here, and then we're going to use this to blend out the edges of the eyeshadow we just applied. I'm going in with my Zaron Face Definer, and I'm using my contour shade right here. I'm focusing most of it at the end. So for this, I like to look down, well, not really down, but I like to look downwards. I want to feel my crease area really well. Using this to deepen the crease, so when I try to cut the crease, the cut creasiness of the cut creasiness would be very popping. Okay, so to deepen it even more, using this deep brown shade from the Shomaya palette, I'm using a very precise brush to pick that up, to apply it deeper into the crease area. It's time to cut the crease. It's time to cut the crease. It's time to cut your crease, girl. It's time to cut your crease. I'm focusing the end of the cut crease with this, and then the front part with this. Good, so I'm going in with the lighter shade I showed you guys. I'm putting that in the front to make it shinier, to give it a very nice gradient. Okay, so it's time for Glitterama. I'm using these bronze chunky glitters. I will be smoking that out intensely with this black eyeshadow. I'll be blending out the edges of the wing liner area that I smoked out. This is what the eye is supposed to look like. So watch me transform this eye that is looking so ordinary to this eye that is looking wow. So the first thing that I would do is to go in with this shade right here, blend it out with the lighter shade, dipping it off with this shade. I'll be applying my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Light Ivory to lighten up the bottom of my eyes. So now we go in with the lighter shade to blend out the bottom of the brown, medium brown. Okay, time to go in with the darker brown shade, focusing that at the rear of my bottom eye. Going in with my black eyeliner. Time to go in with a black eyeshadow to smoke out this black eyeliner. For the tear dot area, I'll be starting off with this and topping it with this. To intensify the tear dot area, I'm going in with the Younger Beauty Candid Glow highlighter in the shade O'Shea. I'm adding these kite-shaped bronzy glitters. I'm going in with my NYX eyeshadow matte eye color in the shade Cocoa. I'm going over that with my Urban Decay lip cream in the shade Roach. Okay, so yeah, this is the hair that I'm wearing today. It's by Today Only Hair. I got their kinky curly. This is what it looked like. Let me take this off so I can show you the texture of the hair. It's Brazilian kinky straight hair in 2022 with a 20-inch lace closure. This is basically what the texture looked like, all like frizzy and cute. I watched the movies yesterday and people were like, wow, you look bomb, mix. And I'm like, thanks very much. Okay, I'm done curling the hair. Time to remove it. You guys, I really love kinky curly, by the way. Ooh, still a lot kinky. It's not as curly as I thought it would be. It's so full. You guys see what I'm dealing with. These 3 packs, I got 3 packs, 20, 22, 22. The curls didn't really work. It just made it look really full and annoying. So I'm going to comb it out. That's hours and hours of curling because I started curling it last night. Ugh, I hate when stuff like this happens, y'all. I hate when I work so hard and it becomes like doesn't matter anymore. But it didn't really curl, so I guess this hair doesn't take curls that well. Maybe because it's kinky curly. But yeah, this is what we got after hours and hours and hours of curling. I will braid half of this. I'm so upset that all the curling did not pan out in the end. I really wanted bomb ass curls, man. I'll have this side and braid it just like I did to the other side. Don't worry, I can see this perfectly. I'm going to fix that. So here I'm braiding the second half of the bottom half of the hair. Okay, I'm turning this braid onto this side right here. I'm going to leave a little bit down because I really like that. I'm going to try curling that. Just leave it to just curl there while I braid this last half. Y'all are probably like, Nix, why are you curling your hair again? It doesn't curl. It does curl for like 10 seconds, which is good for the video. So so that one curled. Thank thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you Today Hair for sending me such amazing hair. I really like this hair. The only thing that I don't like about it is that it doesn't hold curls, but I guess it's because it's kinky curly already. Maybe before curling I should straighten the hair, but all in all the hair has been amazing and it's really soft. So thank you guys so much for watching this bronzy makeup look. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this love with your friends, your families, your enemies, and all about in this world. Adios amigos, catch you later. Peace.